Let's talk about it. So, what happened to today's drop? You're supposed to have the Air Jordan 1 Unions dropping on the Nike sneaker app. However, Nike failed us today. They changed things up big time. We was expecting something different, but this was totally shocking to me. Apparently, there was rumored to be only like 12,000 pairs, so your chances of getting these shoes was very, very hard and limited. So if you don't know, the only way you can grab these shoes was via exclusive access. You have to be invited basically to a draw. And so then once you got EA, then you were expected to put in for basically like a raffle. In the raffle, you had 2 hours to enter. And, with having such limited stock, there's pretty much almost everyone took an L. I mean, I myself didn't get exclusive access. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, did you get exclusive access? But to me, it was unfair. When I got online, the only thing they was showing was the clothing. So they had 2 shirts and 2 hoodies. Of course, the shirts sold out because they were cheaper, only at $60 a piece. The hoodies were $120 a piece. They still had some online. But this, again, was a failure on Jordan Brand. We know that these are hot, limited sneakers that everybody wants, and yet they're limiting the pairs and how you get the pairs. So when they release on the Nike Sneakers app, like we didn't even have a chance. Like your only way you have a chance is if you got exclusive access. And then even if you still had exclusive access, then you still had to enter a draw. The draw took up for about 2 hours, and most people still took L's. I think the reason why they took 2 hours is because they were trying to weed out the bots, but I don't know. Maybe they were looking for multiple entries as well. We don't know. But as for me, I didn't get exclusive access, so I didn't get to enter the draw at all. So my second chance was pretty much null and void. I did go for the first Union drop on the Union website. Now I'm thinking that those were where they had the most pairs. I did get the invite. Well, I didn't realize that you had to hurry up and rush because I thought it was going to be like an automatic W. When I got the email, I was excited. And then they said you have up until 2 hours to go to the website, but that didn't guarantee your pairs. So by the time I went into the website because I was at work, my size 10 was already sold out. So this is a hot fire shoe in my opinion. But let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, where you're able to grab your shoe for retail. My size 10 is still going around $400, so I don't think I'll pick these up. But we know that Jordan Brand still has a few pairs, maybe about 3,000 that they didn't put out because, a lot of people have these backdoor monitors. So we was able to tell the stock. Rumors are there was 15,000 on the Nike Sneakers app available for this EA draw. But unfortunately, a lot of people wasn't able to enter. Let me know down in the comments were you able to get exclusive access. Again, we're just recording our thoughts and opinions about these. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this shoe right here, because I know for me, I was willing to cop these. I wanted these to be put in my collection, but unfortunately, I guess I got to move on to the next shoe. So Jordan Brand is definitely changing things up and limiting these pairs to select numbers, and they're very hard to get, which is making the resale value go up again. Let me know your thoughts and comments about that. I will try to be coming on the camera a little bit more so I can break bread with you and have this conversation. We would also like to go live at some point too, have live feedback and discussions with y'all. Letting us know down in the comments, nigga heads, you rocking these or dropping these. And like we said, next time, we'll see ya.